Is there anything more satisfying than potting up your tomato seedlings? Well, actually, there's probably quite a bit that's more satisfying, but it's pretty satisfying, isn't it? You've taken this, you know, I've grown this from a seed, and now, you know, potting it up to its next level, taking it to its next school, and, you know, the psychological benefits, and not just tomatoes, but any sort of seedlings that you're potting up. The psychological benefits of just, you know, going through this process, taking your tomato out, filling it up, not thinking about anything else really, other than making sure I get this tomato potted up nicely and get it a good drink and set it on its way to its next stage in life. And I'm not thinking about anything else, not thinking about work, not thinking about having to pay the bills, just this little tomato, giving my brain a rest. And that is a massive benefit, giving the old brain a rest. Probably isn't that many more things more satisfying than potting up your tomato seedling. And also actually, not just giving your brain a rest, but giving it a bit of a victory, and a bit of happiness. Because again, that satisfying feeling of I've taken that from a seed and I've grown it to this stage, and that is a victory. That is, you know, I've done something now, I've created that, and it makes me really happy. Maybe I'm easily pleased, but I'm pretty pleased with that.